The noise. Fly apart, searching for a silence that won't stop. They fear the pause, they feed the endless hum. A culture built on fearing what's to come. The noise of silence is deafening now. A digital scream of permanent vow. I cannot hear my own thoughts over the flow. I try to breathe, but the air is always thick with promises of happiness that never stick. The algorithm knows abundance to push, keeping my spirit crushed beneath the rush. I need a window, a break from the glass before the true self withers and just pass. I crave the void,